First thing I'm going to do is trace around my petal like this. Next, I'm going to cut that out. Next, I'm going to pick an old bath towel that's got holes in it. Next, I'm going to place this on an old bath towel and I'm going to cut around it. Next, I'm going to set my sewing machine to this setting here. The reason why is I do not have an overlocker, and this works very similar to an overlocker. Next, I'm going to sew. I got to back stitch a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep sewing around. When I get to the end, I'm going to put my needle down into my material like that. Lift my foot and spin my material back down. Reverse button, reverse my stitches. So I'm going to take this line here where I sewed and I'm going to cut as close to it as I can without cutting my threads. All I'm going to do is hot glue my thing. Use this or you can use this. I chose to use this because I wanted to test out the towel and see how well it works. So my next foot pedal is actually going to have this on it. And I'm going to see how it works. This is gripper stuff from Dollar Tree. So if you want to, it'll only cost you $1. It's got that gripper stuff like what you would put in your cabinets. See you next video.